Hey, what's up guys? Reboot here, back with another video after about a year. I just wanted to make a quick video on the ESR Halolock Geo wallet stand. I'm actually really excited about this wallet because I've been using the fine woven wallet from Apple for pretty much the past year since the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max came out. And let me tell you guys, that thing is beat. In this video, I'll be going over the design, functionality, and the overall value of the ESR wallet. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video to hear my final thoughts about this wallet, because by the time I upload this video, it will be at least a few days or maybe 1 or 2 weeks of actually using the wallet. In the box, you do get your quick start guide as well as a user manual so you can quickly and easily set up your new wallet. Other than that, you get the wallet itself and the charger for your wallet. I know what you guys are thinking. What the heck? Why do I have to charge my wallet, right? Well, this wallet is actually Find My compatible, so that means you can actually get a precise location on where your wallet is if you were to ever misplace it at home or anywhere else, or if you actually lose it. I'll talk more about that later on in this video though. Starting off, let's talk about the design of this wallet. It's actually pretty nice. I decided to go with the gray color just because I think it would go nicely with my clear case from Phone Rebel that I'm currently rocking on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's actually not as bulky as I thought it would be when I first came across this wallet online and through other videos. I didn't really like it just because it looked pretty bulky, but now that I have it in person, it's not that bad, honestly. The vegan leather material feels pretty nice in hand, and when you open up the wallet, you do have your power button on the bottom portion. So pressing that power button turns on the Find My feature, or I guess you could say it turns on the wallet itself. The cool thing about this wallet also is that it has a built-in speaker on this side, so you can play a sound if you ever do lose your wallet. I honestly think that's a pretty useful feature because let's say if you misplace it at home, you can easily play that sound through the Find My app, and it's a lot easier to find the wallet instead of just kind of trying to remember where you last left it. On the top section, you do have a insert for your cards, which for this wallet you can fit up to 3 cards. Personally, that works out for me because I usually just carry my debit card, credit card, and a driver's license on the daily basis. I honestly don't need anything more than that. You also get a strap so you can put your finger in and hold your phone more comfortably. To be honest, I don't care too much for the strap just because I feel like I don't know if I really need it sometimes, and most of the time I'm debating on whether to stick my finger in there or not, so I'm kind of whatever's about the finger strap. On the bottom, you do get a cutout so you can easily push out your cards whenever you do need to use them. Let's say, for example, you're at a grocery store and they don't accept tap to pay. You can quickly and easily push out your card that you need and pay for your groceries, so you don't have a angry line of customers behind you, which you don't want that. Overall, I would give the design of the ESR wallet a solid 8 out of 10 just because I feel like it would be nice to be able to remove that finger strap if you don't need it, or be able to reattach it if you do want to use it. When it comes to functionality though, I give the ESR wallet a honest 10 out of 10. Having a built-in stand is perhaps my favorite feature when it comes to this wallet. I think the times that I love using it the most is with the always on display. Especially while I'm at work, sitting on my desk, I can quickly glance over at my phone to check the time or just scroll through any notifications I may have without having to fully pick up the phone and get distracted more than I should. I also really like using it when making FaceTime calls, or even when I'm eating alone and I'm watching some Netflix or Amazon Prime on my phone. It's definitely a much better viewing experience when it's on the stand. No more having to lean it up against something that could hold up the phone. Another feature that was a must-have for me when looking for a replacement wallet was the Find My compatibility. There was a few options on Amazon, but when I came across the ESR wallet, it kind of stood out to me, and it seemed like more of a reputable company than some of the other wallets that were up for sale. When it comes to everyday use, it's actually been really great for the past few days with this wallet. It actually checks out all the boxes for me. As I mentioned earlier in this video, the stand is perfect for propping up the phone when you want to view something or have a FaceTime call with someone. Find My is also a must-have feature for me, and I'm sure mostly everyone else in the market for a MagSafe wallet will agree with me. Luckily, I've never had to use the feature, but I have a lot more peace of mind knowing that I'll be able to track my wallet if I ever do lose it and it's close enough to me I can go ahead and play that sound, which is great. Moving on to the price of the ESR Halo wallet, it ranges anywhere from $37.99 to $42.99 US dollars plus taxes. Just depends on which color you decide to get, which I think is honestly not bad at all considering the functionality of this wallet, and when comparing it to other wallets within the same price range, like the Fine Woven wallet ranging from $34.99 to $53. I honestly think it's a no-brainer going with the ESR Halolock wallet. I mean, at least for me. Aside from that, let me know your guys' thoughts on this wallet. For the ones that do have this wallet and been using it for long term, would you still recommend it? Would you buy it again? Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts. Also, if you guys have any questions for me, feel free to drop a comment as well. Pretty much wraps up this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.